person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Turk, I'm asking you as a friend.
Oh, down with the face and the eyes and the all right, but don't make me do anything embarrassing. I'm gonna kill him.
Do you or do you not feel bonita?
I feel bonita.
Wonderful, because you look bonita.
Why should I?
Because you're going to be a father.
I'm pregnant?
Do you find boys attractive? Or girls? That's one way to check if you're not sure. You think I'm not sure? Everyone's attractive, to be honest. Even if it's just something small. Like, some people have really beautiful hands. I don't know. I'm a little bit in love with everyone I meet. But I think that's normal.
Where the legend begins.